Welcome to day 12 of Best Ways to Raise Your Vibes. Today we invite in stillness through movement with the practice of yoga. Yoga is more than just stretching, it's a mind-body ritual that combines breath, movement, and presence. Through yoga you release physical tension, calm your thoughts, and reconnect with your inner energy. As you move and breathe with intention, your energy centers begin to align. You create clarity in your mind, peace in your emotions, and strength in your body, all at once. If you're just beginning, start with beginner-friendly classes that focus on foundational poses. Even 10 to 20 minutes a few times a week can create real transformation. Breathe deeply as you move. Let your breath be the bridge between your body and your spirit. And remember, yoga is adaptable. Modify poses to meet your body where it's at. There's no perfect form, just your unique flow. A short session is always better than none. After a few sessions, tune in. Are you feeling lighter? Calmer, more grounded in your body and at peace in your mind? Tomorrow we go even deeper inward with meditation. Until then, from vibration to creation, live High Vibes 365.